Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Zoho Mail to Shopify. So all you have to do is just head over to admin.shopify.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then you will then be redirected to the Shopify seller page. And from here, just look at the lower left of your screen and you can see settings. Just click on it. And from the settings page, you can easily see the store details section. So from here, just click on this pen icon beside my store. And from here, you just have to change your store email to your Zoho address. Say this for example, then just click on save. Next is you have to verify your email to avoid emails going to spam. So you're going to add some records to your domain. So if your domain is hosted by Shopify, just scroll over until you can see these domains. So in this page, you can easily see all of your domains. And in my case, I have this existing pre-made domain made by Shopify. And if you have specific domains connected in this page, you can easily just click on it and you can easily manage its DNS. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!